Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest market news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 25th, 2024, we're diving into the AUDUSD, the Australian dollar against the US dollar, to see what's driving its recent moves and what the charts are telling us. The Australian dollar has been on a tear lately, surging against its US counterpart, and we want to understand why. If we look at the daily chart, we see a strong bullish trend over the last few weeks. The AUDUSD has been consistently breaking higher, forming higher highs and higher lows, which indicates a strong upward momentum. This rally started from the 0.6400 level, breaking above a significant resistance zone, and has since continued to climb. Let's take a closer look at the news and see if we can find any correlations with this bullish price action. Recent news suggests that China's economic stimulus package, announced on Tuesday, has boosted sentiment for risk assets, including the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is particularly sensitive to Chinese economic growth, as China is a major trading partner for Australia. The stimulus package is expected to boost demand for Australian exports, which is likely supporting the AUD's strength against the US dollar. The US Fed's interest rate policies are also playing a role in the AUDUSD movement. The Fed recently cut interest rates, which is making the US dollar less attractive to investors. This is putting downward pressure on the US dollar, and as a result, the AUDUSD is strengthening. So, it seems like both fundamental factors, like China's stimulus package, and technical factors, like the Fed's rate cut, are working together to push the AUDUSD higher. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that the AUDUSD has closed above the 0.6800 level, a significant price level that has acted as a resistance zone in the past. Breaking above this resistance level suggests that the bulls are in control of the market, and there is a strong potential for further gains. However, it's important to remember that price action can be unpredictable, and a reversal could occur at any time. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor the market closely and watch for any signs of weakness. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to see if we can find any clues about the short-term direction of the AUDUSD. Zooming in on the last few hours of trading, we see that the AUDUSD has been consolidating around the 0.6850 level. This suggests that the bulls are taking a breather after the recent rally, and the market might be poised for a slight correction. However, the 1-hour chart also shows that the AUDUSD is trading above the 20-period moving average, which indicates that the bullish momentum is still intact. Therefore, a pullback is likely to be temporary, and the AUDUSD could continue its upward trend in the coming hours. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get a feel for the very short-term direction of the AUDUSD. On the 15-minute chart, we see that the AUDUSD has been forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that the bullish momentum is still strong. However, the price action is also becoming more volatile, with some signs of a potential correction. Therefore, it's important to be cautious when trading the AUDUSD in the very short term and use appropriate risk management strategies. To recap, the AUDUSD is currently trading in a bullish trend, supported by both fundamental and technical factors. The 0.6800 level has been broken, suggesting a strong potential for further gains in the long term. In the short term, the AUDUSD is consolidating around the 0.6850 level, which could lead to a slight correction. However, the bullish momentum is still intact, and the AUDUSD is likely to continue its upward trend in the coming hours and days. It's important to monitor the market closely for any signs of weakness, especially around the 0.6800 level, which could act as a support zone in the near term. The 0.6900 level is a potential resistance zone to watch out for in the short term, but a break above this level could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. Traders should be aware of the potential for increased volatility in the very short term, especially on the 15-minute chart. Overall, the AUDUSD is looking bullish, but traders should use appropriate risk management strategies and be prepared for potential reversals. Stay tuned for more analysis and updates on the AUDUSD and other markets here on Explain the Charts.